Kublai pi baro pia pe yagan khasi channel ni priang subhai pi shikathuk khubor ka bashi stage tayo ki mat makong san man ta tayo kilong nang hem ke NPP hamau hati naga jiwan pinya so kinong yalam bat kinong ket kam ke UDP Congress bat MPCC nadani wan ha Khubor ngin pindam mi ke MOU bat ka Assam ong ba Vincent Bala la ban mi no ka BJP na ka sarkar MDA ong ba Ernest Mori Janpra ka khrdop jong ka casino hakana para na batham ki nangelam ki sauseng war hadin basha khang ha ka jingya pat ba thang ka hito ki ting shop jong ki mentri sarkar MDA ha berni ha rat ka truck dumper ki post electric nongjari like ki pat ba na ka jingmin saw rakhi ka balang unitarian ya ka lingko snem ka bashi spa like san job ka kinhon khle ki MLA MDC bagi officer Bersha iki pastor haga jele akan football parlo bat week de Khubor mendapat ninya phai ki Khubor penya karba kisngi kila nang jan ki election MLA arja apply ki seng sign perthai ba peru kila nang khi phalu ban pen khlanya la ki terpeng Sashisian part apo Gamawati constituency kaseng NPP kila nang khams aj ban sim harin ke jingon penya so pat jukinangelam ka UDP Congress Bat nak MPCC, kibla rai ban kershan purai ba shampang lingdo kertong jong keseng NPP hake election kabanwan. Ya kinong ilam kiba kimthup ikinong kershan, la priang sngov ha do RM mukhim president ke NPP Mauhati constituency hake jadon langru ba shampang lingdo kertong ke NPP na Mauhati uba Otril Pamshong MDC barim ke Mauhati bar kiwe kinong ilam ke NPP na Mauhati. Karkum kajing kran jagi kaptu ka ningot kinoy alam ki balapan ya so no asya ke NPP kilapan pau ba kajing mi jongki nagi seng ki bagi dan haswa kalong bagi layo i jingai ba ka NPP ka dan shisha kajing thrang ban sakri upat ba kumba ka kular badia ka nila sakhi ru ling ba kajing urlong kajing phos new jong upat ba ha ka be day bat ka surok na sending sha sunidan bat ki we ki jiran kam ha ka be day ba kilat penroi prepare
na kaliang ka jonga na chubo tang kajing kerpadrit hakmat jong pi we bangin ai kajing trelang kajingnya pendrit bat kajingnya pendam markeliang kajingnya borom bat kajing iet bat kajing senia markeliang ngatip kadon kawai kajing pang kabasir kai ba po ka politics kata kajing pang kalong hapadeng kibarim bat kibat hamai tentang saya mi bai kajing surut hapadeng kibarim bat kibat hamai bat kani kadi kajing pang ka politics umdai tang ni po NPP kajingi habro khoi ke parti habro khoi ke jaka kadi kajing pang kabangim la ban kiar te Henry ngai ipak bahapo kani ka thop kajingi ya kani kajing pang udan ukuli udan udawai bangila ban weng ban kedat ya kani kajing pang bat kata kadai kajingi i kajingi sinia bat kajing pendam iwe pat bat kajing kini bahlor bangan long mangau bakham khli kata kan sabanra ya kajing job bat kajing ya perah tengah bu kajing kerpat na do donu bangin tong ya trailang yang traing yang ailang keti kaman kadiang nomor kathong kajingi kalong bangin long ubanang kong in long unong job te tang berim romla ban penjob tang ki batmai romla ban penjob ngidang kamlang baro arliang bangin paisa kathong jong kajing job
President ke MPCC upa Vincent H. Palau balong ru MP na kaseng Congress ulong bala na kaseng Congress kawan Khubor kan sa siyang perkhat biang halor ke jete sa skular penbet put hapideng ke jela Meghalaya ber ke jela Assam Ulong ru balada dan kam banlit chadu shiyeng bishar baha kledo nesha ka Supreme Court ban pendu pendam no yakani ke MOU Congress kan lej
Border issue is a very critical issue. Meghalaya maps become smaller and smaller. Very unfortunate that Assam has given us. Now also we are giving back to Assam. There also I've seen many people, they came to me, they met me, they want to go to Supreme Court. See, if the public in the border are not happy with it, why should you impose on it? Only to get one big building, only to get one hotel, and you have to sell so many lands, you have to let out so many of the public's property, because we are in the 6th schedule. All the people who live in the 6th schedule, they have got different facilities. All the land we have got in the 6th schedule, only people who have got scheduled tribe, and scheduled caste, so we live different facilities. Now all this will go back to Assam. Only they said in the border there are certain populations which are more. So that is not the question. You have to know the history. You have to do a public hearing. You have to do a social impact. They have not done any social impact.
And now
No
we
public
call
hearing.
upon
They
Wansuk
simply
Shisha
come
who's
notify
over securing
and they went to the border and Assam will
79.6%.
dictate them. It's totally a sellout. I think these also they have to come. They have to come back one day. Today because they are in such a,
Now
they
we
are
call
ruling in
upon
such a
Zakian
position,
Dingko
they
for
are in good
securing
terms with Assam and
79% in the
Meghalaya.
SSLC
So if you see the
examination
loss will be
2022.
the maximum of the prime property, the loss is for the Meghalaya.
So,
Thank you.
but if the Congress gets into power, let's
101%. If
Next,
Congress
we
comes
call
to
upon
we'll
Kenneth
rethink
Hudson
on the
for
border.
securing
If Congress comes to power,
79% in
we'll
the
never allow casino to
HSLC
come. I
art
can guarantee you.
examination
If Congress comes to
2021.
power, we'll do the policy, we'll form a policy, we'll frame a policy what the public wants.
Next, we
It's
call
not what
upon
we want.
Ankit
Hakasiba arjo ka tayo President ka BGP ba Ernest Mauri ulo ang makaseng BGP ka yengtali halor ka jingdawa banmino naga sarkar sandrap lang ka MDA. Uba Mauri ulo ang bo National Vice President ka BJP uchuba au uladep bankran ba kaseng kanmino na ka MDA hapo ka shibanay.
Is the BGP divided as far as pulling out from the government is concerned?
No, we are united. Actually, it is the concern of the members with different related issues. And the members has got right to uprise. But, of course, they have uprised in the State Executive Committee and in different committee. We have already informed the central leadership that this thing happened. So, they communicate the same thing, that the decision will be taken from the central leader.
Yeah. 1 month's time is what Chuba had said earlier. Within 1 month they'll be decided. So we just want to know.
No, it is his statement. No, I don't know. What he meant by saying 1 month, I don't know. He know better because he has given the statement on that.
Umentri rang ba bandrap jaka sarkar jalao ba President Tinsong hakasngi balang jaka tayo ulong ba umdan por banjuba be kijingkano jong General Secretary ka TMC usakit gokhle ulong ba ka sarkar MDA ka don KTBI lani ban yasalok ban ai kam chiki contractor ban teye ka yeng assembly bathamai mau diang Ubatin song ulong baladaw gokhle kwa ban tip ka jingshisha udai ban wan hi dalade shilong om ban chubun ktin.
See, I have no time to reply to this. Who's that General Secretary? I don't want to. I don't want to. If he wants, if he wants, let him come to Shillong. Find out things. No. Why should we? Why should only just because of that statement? When I talk about the smart city Shillong Limited, he said blah 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 blah. So, but ultimately, everything is there, black and white. So these people means they are just trying to create confusion for the political mileage. But everything is in paper. So why not? I will also ask him his Calcutta Smart City Limited. Tell me when was the statement of account filed? Let him tell me when was filed, because they started from 2016. And we started from 2018-19.
Uba President Tinsong uloong ruba amdan jimantoy banjubab say kijingkano balakino do President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ublong baga sarkar MTE kadai ka babamsap khamdam e katanat ki kampo yem uba President uloong bakini kijingkano kadai ki baklem nong rim bar hari India manu kila ban kano yanu hakanu kanu kapor ne kanu kasngi hindro uloong baladaki kwa ban kano Kidei ruban pensishaya ka.
I think no use to respond to such allegation made, which is totally baseless. That's what I'm telling you. So the democracy that we have in India is what? Baseless allegation can be made anytime, any day, any moment. But let me just reiterate one thing. Any allegation made, please substantiate it. The law of the land is prevailing. Be it chief minister, be it deputy chief minister, be it ministers, or be it NMLA. The law of the land prevails. So therefore, just reacting the allegation made, I think I don't want to make any reaction on this, because today if I say something, tomorrow again they may say any party they can again come back saying this. I think we don't have much time. Let, as I said to the people of the state, judge whether the allegation made is correct or not.
Kajia kini eka tiket BJP na North Shillong constituency kala nang kami tanah chushu hakabawa martamlin perbot ubalong way ni kinong pan tiket nakani keseng hakasi palay Khubor Ka Taiew ularai ban randin no ban rai ru ban ajin kersham no iba Michael Carson Taiew ban yo eka tiket nakani keseng nakani ke constituency. Ya ke tiket BJP na North Shillong ladon kajia kini apdeng uba Michael Carson Taiew beruba Maria Hom Kharkrang ubadang shu penyaso eladiation syaka BJP. Habakran hakla pathai Khubor uba Michael Carson Taiew la kentai war bayak tiket BJP na North Shillong la da ban rai ban ai uba MH Kharkrang da ka baom judan bala ban rai lupa tang da kinong yalam ka BJP Meghalaya rekat kum kirukom de ka BJP Central Election Committee ringkat ka party high command ka ban shemye ka rai yano ka ibit ban pinyakun na ka tiket.
And we would like to give a very good news to our supporters, to our friends from the 17 North Shillong. But as of today, we have decided that both of us, we have teamed up that we will fight the BJP on a BJP ticket from the 17 North. I give my thanks to Martamlin Prabhat. He has given us the support that he will for henceforth not contest anymore the election, and he will work together to have a single for us to work together. So that is the message that is being said today from our side, the message that we want to give to our supporters from the 17 North Shillong. Another thing that we would like to clarify to the press is that as of now, since there are many rumors that has been gone in 17 North Shillong that the ticket has been allotted to this particular candidate or that particular candidate, as you all know, we are two senior BJP members here. I'm also a person who have contested from the party in the 2018 elections from Umsning constituency, and same thing, Ma is a former MDC and also is a senior BJP member. The fact of the matter is that BJP is such a party that it is based on so many aspects, but they allot the ticket. So we would like to make a clarification to the supporters of 17 North. But as of now, the ticket will be decided, as we know, from the central leaders based on survey and based on so many other things. So that is the reason that we would like to make a clarification so that kipat ba kinong Krishan kinom sya elang bakla.
Keseng riulum kabarim tam po kecela Meghalaya keseng HSPDP kelanang yo bor barhem kaslem ha kejing penkre ikejingwan ke election aja arpulai kam tam hatem riboy district. Ya kanela sakhi de kejingwan penyaso sakinong yalam bah khmat jong keseng NPP kibrarai ban ajing kershan ke bapurai ba premsan makdo kertong ke HSPDP no Umsning constituency. Kini ginong yalam bah khmat jong ke NPP ki kintu uba tarsan snongse kamu working president ke NPP no Umsning uba SP nong bet treasurer uba donbor marbanyang organizing secretary baruba ribok harpra president ke NPP youth wing no Umsning la priang pura mi kini ringkat ki spangur ki pat nong kershan jong keseng NPP do president berang ba uba piki pangniang ringkat ke jodan lang senior vice president ubaderu MDC kamau kenro uba martan mukhem District President ke HSPDP na Riboy uba PB Seliang ukertong ke HSPDP Umsning uba Premsan Makdo kintup de kinangalam HSPDP na ke Jalabat ke Riboy District.
Kaya HSPDP kirama syakmak kilapren nampak dan penjok suri ko. Henry ka bang kung sang HSPDP kaya parti rilum kabra rintam ha Jala Meghalaya kabra nanta Santo South Ligisne. Bagi sedap sang pusang kau nombor sepuluh. Bak kali ke parti ke bara suit the show. Agar kerja ini jauh kali kan. Jangan riu kaboker pang jadi. Jangan riu kasih benar. Kabar orang ini jalan kalian. Bak kali ke parti katong juga kalau bangi ke jangan riu kasih benar. Iron lagi jom ke jiwang kaboker pang. Kaktin Habang iman ni yang ini ikut semua kirim dia kan jam. Batalem dor juga jadi kapan lui mesin. Kapheran lagi wei kirong kirim juga kita pun. Kalau pher ni, katim ni orang nak kacau, kakos dustur ni orang nak kacau, kahok ni orang nak kacau. Nak jaga tahu kisah spiritual kong, to min tahu yang berparti, bandong maka kanong riya ka, kanong yadaya ka, bagong sadar ni. Katakan ini kamu kong eh.
Lada mga siya kalian hangur, kung maglalaro kasi kalian bang siya kalian dahil pa yung baseson kemudian mo kalau kasi kalian kita dahil kami kasi siya na itu piyane ayah kalau beli menjom asyik kapsian jampi baru si kata dia form di primary med kaba kampuna ju ya ka prapo ada kawasan lagi dia ada menurun hari sidang pero kita di bangkai ini persiapan bagi tim yang kejingon juga strain juga seperti ini. Jadi kita di bangkai ini kita beri gambar bagi kilating try. Ofin melakukan bu, ofin pada mulai. Ini yang kejingon berdoa. Ada ofin pilih guna menilai. Pilih pan kerjaan. Lagi dosis juga, lagi kur kijai juga, lagi bahi kasih juga. Kanya itu nanti, prabu li primary ni ada. Im nama kaji kasatin, bahawa ada mulai info bisa kau.
Hadirin kita khubor ya sangat syashipor tang sikentin kuah hadirin son pagi sepi ringkat kini kibai parki khubor. Janpra ka kerdop jong kasino hakana para nabatham kinangelam kisau seng. War hadirin basya khang ha kajiyat padba thang ka hito e ting shop jong ki menteri sarkar MDA ha bernihan. Rar ka truck dumper ye ki post electric nongjeri like ki padba na jimin sao. Rakhi ka balang unitarian ye ka lingko snem ka bashispa like san. Job ka kinhon khle ki MLA MDC berki officer bersya e ki pastor ha ka jele akar football parlo. Barki we de ki khubor.
Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting. Comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong. style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveller Tourer customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.
Da gajing bitar gajing pencak ceri ke sorkar MTA halor gajing onra ika casino na ni ka ketem khalai hari boy district kindong yalam ki sauseng ki bakintup ik HANM ki MPUF ki MPSO bar ka RBYO ki ahyar shakhama para balendum hakmar ka wei ka jaka haka balab thmu ban bu ika casino da gajing thmu ban yakendo utrai ka te ka jaka bandawa ban weng no mador ka hagani gajing leit kindong yalam ki sauseng shakate ka jaka Lawan ban Aiman Sim do ba George Bilingdo MLA ke Umroy. Kinong yalam hadin ke jingpam yo banyak kendu ikinong penyai ketika jaka kebadan hakana para kila persyang ban thom da kabor ban penkelem ya kherdop jong ketika jaka hindai hadin ke jing tuklar no ki bor pulit lala padot penjajai yo pajba. Habaikran beginong tho khubor ba Pateng Mirsing President ke HANM ula penram jure ke sarkar MDA kabla lamba klai ki pajba ke jala miglaya Kamta mi ka Themri Boy District da ka bathok pelen ba ya ka casino la pensange shwa balalap bagi jingte ya ki yeng banwanra e ka tika ketem khalai kidang ya cha ha ka ni ka district
Nagalang dungi kiseng balang yuan agak ke jaka banwan jurip ya kana ka casino ka sarkar ka temu ban peniak khmat Nagalang dungi kiseng oj ilai ka jingkran nau chief minister Pak Presiden tersong Henry ngim shanya yaki namar kine gibriu kiba syukran na kaktin hari kakam kaya cacai. Bat nagalang yung pasang idone ka jisokya hari kapor kaba nimut panai jurit putai capo Henry kilakang lagi kalah. Nagalang yung pasang idone ya ka jisokya kaba bat ka jing persya. Ba dalilai kinum dai bit banbu ya ka casino hone ka Themri Boy bit gedungi idone ka jisokya namar kana casino ka kta ya gikun samla hamtam. Nginginom pedang ya ka jingong jong ka sarkar ba badkentiu ya ka turis ha ka state Meghalaya ka jong ileng ba ka casino kata kalong persya nagalagi ka seng di pulpau ka di persya jur hado ka sarkar balai kampai chwa badkentiu ya kiyo kam yo jam ya kun samla kaong penban da ka bawanra ya ka casino ka de badkentiu ya ka turis balai ki perkhat chwa ya ki kun ki hajar jong ka briu hanyu trap khamtam jong ka dong ri bhoi ka basang sadin hadu kata ngingi persyajur ya kena ke sarkar MDA ka ba themu banonra ya kena ke ketem khalai hangne Themri Boy i ke jongi amar ngitip ka jingdon jong ka casino kan ta ya kalawai jung kun samla ina kena ke seng i punpa ba ka sarkar kala thong ya kiseng balang banong banbu kam ar pombot kawai ke seng de nagalang jung i persya e kata wa nom perbit yang i kiseng balang da kata ka bapinai kam ajam hangne po casino nginginom tre dalele ikren syai ka sarkar ba ngin mandai ban yadil ya kane ka isu ka ba ka sarkar ka nonra ya kane ka khalai casino hangne kidon bunjat kamdai ka khalai ikam aurea ikam yadi yabam dei na ka daw ba ngim kwa ba ka Themri Boy ka jongi kan kala kum ka sadam bat ka gomera ibun pau sai ka government ba kadai ban sange mardor ya kane casino namari isu bang badu mata ka sarkar napo kaya baik ya kikam dan nak kataw nak leng kaseng yuan ban inspect ang le spot ban kabasusi kalong ba kikang mata kasi ban nak leng kaseng ikran syai ba kanongkut kang mata kasi kat ba ka sarkar kampat ai ya ka notification bersange bantat baik ba kalau pensange ya kan casino nak leng duwi kaseng inong songthai dalai leiru ya ka bajalong kan balong ngila long ki baredi ban yakun ba ka sarkar banginom kuwa ba ka sarkar kanonra ya ka casino hagne ka ribhoi ba it ke jongi
Uba George Bilingdo haba ajing kersya niki kin hun seng phalang ulapan pau ke jing persya ka bajur ke jing thmu je ka sarkar banwan ra ka ni ka casino khamdam ka jing ithu eka ain kat kum ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 ban aila ikini ki jat jing ya khalai hapo ka jala Meghalaya
Makanya kajing ai kini license ini casino kedai hajin bagi wanra dia ka ain ke bagiong ke Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Law awasnya arjar arbuwe kini ka ain ke keren lightly ki benta Kabenta kabenkong kabakiong kalong banwanra ya ki physical location na nagijaka ha kaba. Kinde kita kitam khalai lani ki casino maong ha tinongwe ba kata ni ka ai ka ailat but I license ya kun kita ki beri ki bala lani ki badon kita ji pumbon bo ya ki kitam khalai. Kata kabenkong kabaan ka ain ko keren ba pila bandon ru online gambling. Kamu mun makom bay le kai game ki kena apa ki mobile piraru banya khalai haki mobile ki jumpi lemba ke online lemba ke internet bagi mobile ki privat akti kabalai pat kene ka ain bakren sepang ke online betting kabumun bapila ban ya thong pisa na ka benta ki jile kai ki bokher rupet haki sport cricket football bat kiwe te nata kadau kajing persya jungi kamdei tang na ka benta ke casino ajing persya nagalyang sa ban weng ka anyi pro kowe amarba tang ka casino kumut kade ko paiba le persya lupa kabangi da sungu sobrom ya baro kiseng gi balawan sekmat ban man pedi kata kajing persya ba kajing sungo kajing paiba na ka bishim khia na ka benta ikun ki ti ba kalwe jo bajla ba khamtam e jo temri boy nang tapat harus juga por kajing ketu kalau ban pedlam ni kini gi we pat ki kendon ai ki ba ailat ya online gaming but online betting kaba kini gelak penwanra sibun ba jingdo dong gi kon samla bangi iba menta mobile kala long sisa gi ke borok gi don ke bor hakiki gi jumki kala sai hadian hambut kini kanang pen kerni pat ya gi kon samla ru ha kabede baki kam khalai ndai nagda kimwan si casino ru kin lek kai hayeng kin lek kai hagi jaka gi don la bendon gi lek kai ru hagi jaka kule la bendon gi lek kai hagi jaka gi ba mo gi per bagi kon samla gi la ban pengop yang lebih hati kini kita senior.
Kinoyalam ke Nyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization menta Taiew kila pelong na kajingat pagba. Nadu lar umsaw shadu bernihat berkumjuru bantang ki tingshop jong ki menteri ke sarkar jela kum kedak ban persya ke jingtmu ke sarkar ban wanra ke casino lani ke ketem khalai Hariboy district. Hagani ke jinghiar jong kinoyalam ke hitu kila syak khang kedong no haki bor penyai district lingba ki magister bat ki bor pulit Hariboy district habernihat hadu bakalami sa ke jingkan art ke bajur habereng kinongelam bat ki bor penyai district hadian kene ki dekhar ke hitu kila pelong no ke jingshong kalain mungor habereng ke surok ba national highway 6 ke belawan ra ru ke jingtheng kali ke bajur ke berane katu ka nikenta bar hadian ke jing ailat pat penyai tang hadu khat saumer bernihat laweng noi ke jingtheng kali Ubadan bok dekhar President ke hitu la pendram jori ke sarkar jela kabla persyang bat penthame upai ba ke jela khamtam kabri hunyo trap da ka persyang bat penjersi ban wanra ki khem khalai hakani ke jela da ka bakam bakat penmi pisa da ka penpau baka sarkar ka de ban wanra penpan de ki jaka pule ki babiang bat bentoy ki samla pule ha ke jaka jong khem khalai lakin tho joru baki menteri ke sarkar MDA kim de shu tang ki menle akhlamakor Henry ki de ki nangbat bor kebla le bi jat ikabri hunyo trap da kabrila me ka spa chongka la ka de ha ka jingshilan bi a nyu do yong ne ki we ki kambam sap
Bailado minta kasi nadakini kim kala pamot. Ade ben ai jing seneng kuma ayo I love you. Da ka baya bam seneng, Andre da ka ba penduk. Balik kali kat suruh tadi kat office. Nyemlek nasi office. Nyemlek ra. Nyemlek nasi IB teh. Kata kini ni baik kum bayar ju pajak ini pajak he. Ya ju bisa amtas ni kamti teh kan normal commuting. Bisa education deh. Iya normal. Ini 40 ya. Ini kau nak kena computer. Gigi saya balang. Oh, bisa balang. Sampai rum ni, nyukup properti kami. Ngapong ni siya ngamdon kan di arahun bagi siya niya deh tanda kan nanti bagi mana apa bila aktif kata balik bila kuat bang tu chen kan nong deh minim program rasa one west president nanti nak coba nom siya kan blok kain tu pan one west president juga India ku Assam whole entire border ada field. And hantam edition ni pun aku asam kan apa Jerman. Khubor Darjungi ya. Khubor Darjungi. Khubor Darjungi. Wanung put kami orang put dia yang mafi. Perkelak tian. Wanung mafi. Mentan. Khubor Darjungi. Orang ke Suram yang traffic management. Batang ni itu jurbat sini. Ini tanah ni nak jurbat. Nilai tanah ni hajurbat ni. Betul.
Wan sini wan persyak yang ketem kelai kepala ai sok dapat sorkar Meghalaya demonic alai. Ini mesti limba kilat patai Khubor masuk tai apa kilat patai Khubor ngelai bayi dan iwi komedian juga MDA Pak Presiden dan Song yang ba malai nyim persyak yang kata thok tim dengan bahangan orang Pak Presiden kelik pek bahai katuka Meghalaya Gambling Act notification clause section like clause like ông cũng đó mình nhập pay và mình nhập thuộc và chú vẫn cần biết cũng mới sẽ trong cái bêu cái trong bài stay và mình làm cần biết kinh ngọc sẵn sàng đây như đây cái biết luôn những số yang ngọc mắt trong mình sẽ sort card đó làm thế ni nak kalian jungi kene kade kesian nongkong but karali ke bahe min pukut hopok sor selong tempat ba sorkar dan pendem kumbal along minta kesiru keladon ke jing piye pen ibor hapedeng ke district administration bani ring ini klaim da kanran ke ke balak klei ke jutang kumbal ni la ong nakabor syek kapor bangi hakapor bangi ate kular bat ka hito ni ong bai cisen bangi lami chasurok ke sindok mediap ni la ong ki ba pengkre kenang pendim ke peteng bat kari ke bajak pendrim ta ke kurwo ke di ke basai beri pak ke sorkar wat yelek kaisu wat mut bangi kila ban pengop
Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya hak arpo terik mentau benai kala penkuburan bat aisam not syaki palat ciaja lais pa sanul ki samla puli ki bela pendep ya ki jing puli hak ki kedan puli beper barkani ka kintubru ya ki jing itu kerpang ya ki khatsan wur ki samla ki bela pendep ya ka PhD news pa indi pesan wur ki bela pendep ya ka postgraduate degree bat sans pa khatsan wur ki bela pendep ya ka undergraduate degree Hagani kasina kaliang ki bor kani ka school ba klapun ko buram kerpang ru yu Dr. N. Datta daka honorary Doctor of Science ubaderu founder but chancellor juga Assam Down University bar kumjoru yu Manas Chaudhry editor barim ke Shillong Times bar menteri barim ke terat puli puthi jong ke Jala Meghalaya daka honorary Doctor of Literature ya ka balapun ko buram daular ke Jala Meghalaya Usatya Pal Malik kumukong san hagani kasi laidar lang ru Uma Lakman Rumboy Menteri Ketenaga Puli Puthi Jaga Sarkar Jala Kumukong San Binrab Umahabubul Hok Chancellor ke School Ba USTM U Professor G.D. Sharma Vice Chancellor ke USTM U Dr. B.J. Rao Vice Chancellor University of Hyderabad Dr. N. Lukendra Singh Vice Chancellor Manipur University Barkiwe.
At the outset, I congratulate each one of the graduating students for your outstanding performance and success as you have completed your degree program from this prestigious institution. I also congratulate the faculty members and guardians for shaping brilliant minds. Today, a total number of 1,305 students will be receiving degrees at different levels in this convocation, including 50 PhD scholars. Let me also congratulate the entire USTM family for becoming first private university from Northeast India that has been ranked grade A recently by NET and to be ranked among the top 200 universities of India by NIRF 2022.
For the last more than 40 days, after he graduated, serve the society in a different capacity and community in this specific honorary degree today. And also, Manas Chaudhry, in the last 41 years, he has served in different capacity. And the 20 years old student, they the degree. What is the link between this? These two personalities, through their service after getting degree, they have been awarded the honorary degree. And you, through your hard work, perseverance, through your application of knowledge in the classroom, and through the working together with your teachers or professors, you have been awarded this.
Haka arpo artalik mentau benai kawai ke truck dumper kala letten raya artalik ki post electric ki badan haka shnong nong jri. Karkum gajia thu uba loving san khong nong be ubare nong shong shnong jong ka ni ka shnong ulong ba ka ni ka jingja kala ja namar ka jingbu a jong nong ya ka ni ka dumper. Ulong badan bok bahag ni ka jingja om shimladan mano ba mensau hindoi kala penjulor part ki post electric.
Di ketua nampak ni. Hanya saja kalau ondek nanti nak kamling nak hot kebek ni nak pun dulu. Dari ke kong gigi singo gigi bak kalong ba. Ketua nampak kalau bek kalong gigi bek juga kalong kalau bak singo ngiu tu bun gigi bak balong ba langsung sekeh bak kalong bek nampak kalong le jumrum dum semua. Ti anda poi pan ti hajan ke community hall. Ti kalau terano ya ke arli ki kalau terano ya ke arli ki post elektrik juga gibere juga je. Kita kalaj bere cepat siang. Hadu baka jilek yung tu tribar kelak penduk senen kalaj hadu bahapok nonjri rana mau kliau kelak duk senen kalajnya. Hajisha kejimasa kelak jan don bok bat bau blei turunkan nomor bah hajisha utu udribar dei. Hadin bo dep tenra itu kali ulak baik biang nata umur siu ban ya no dei. Te la dau ya temut utu pos undung derek yang ying juwei u bahin jengah hi berentor surong kamut kala ledung sei u te lobok pat ba ublei udang isnei te karam ja yairu
Shushu ulong bakani ke jingja kalawan rai ke jinglip lai habaro ko ke shnong bakani ka la ban bampor da kita yo ban la ban pinbiang pat yaka
ke jingkir pat jengah kalong ya baro kita bar trok ki banyak kali sepo majai bare kidmau la kide kinonjrine kide ban sebanonjrine sembah to ba pinyak kali Telai suara jong diti, tenai dari kiat le hadin masih tetap di kami jam tu sadi perkekian, setia, sedem, sebam, sadi. Yang rekam sini nama dong, le haba mensingi pat sebab sebenam dikian, nomor bakani ketak teh, sibuk kumbu kerja mendin kena kami sisi menkong, kena kesini bar, kena kesini balai. Nomor kadang kau keliru kebala nak teng syariat, sisi syariat kebangi kot ni pot sonjing ni pot nonjring agret puleng. Udan hiway derbar belak penuh agret ya truk sipo riat puleng. Te udah ju malik baru berjaya mendin. Kemudian batanda poslan udah ju itu ba. Te takada yang itu haba pinyak kali sembah se nyak suai kali meski tu dah di panenit deh.
Hadin kiti khubor ni sange shashipor hadin shibit arbit ni son pai yang shipi ringkat begini kimi pat khubor. Rakhi ke balang Unitarian ya kelingko snem ke bashispa lai pesan. Jab ke kinhun kle ki MLA MDC berki officer Persha ki pastor haga jele akai football parlo. Barki wei de ki khubor.
Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tora, customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong. Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Pidai penyanyi kat khasi channel ni phai yang chi khubor ki balangsa. Hakakat pratri mentau banai ke balang Unitarian kelaraki ke cindap shispa lai kusan senam jaka balang ya ke beratip kum ke Unitarian Day. Hagan ni kasi la yoi ki pastor bar ki para bengai ki belawan bar shimbenta ban rakhi kerpang ya kan ni kasi. Ya kan ni ke rakhi la pelong hayeng mani jong ke balang nongkrem bat balang nong thamai. Assam Don Bosco University ringkat ke Jetre lang bar ke Genesis Max Foundation kan pelong ke first edition jong ke North East Pride Football Cup. Ya kini ke tournament on pelong kum ke dak ke jingrakhe ke jingdap shi sports nam ke Don Bosco Institution Hakari India. Habai kren kinong thok khobor hak arpo tring mentau penai kinong penyai klai thu ya kini ke jelekai on pelong hasilong mairang nong stan jwai batura. Kilai thuru bakani ke tournament kan long tangsan ngut shi team bat on pelong ha kilai benda kata hapo khat saus nem kerta khat rius nem kerta bat khat khatai nem kerta ya kani ke tournament on pelong ha baro ki jala jo khathan stay lam ni.
We are organizing a five-a-side football tournament which is called the Northeast Pride Cup, which is being hosted by Assam Don Bosco University in association with Genesis Max Foundation. It's a five-a-side tournament for categories under 14, 16 and 19, and it will be conducted over 20 plus cities across Northeast India. The main reason of conducting this tournament is as we as Assam Don Bosco University and Genesis Max Foundation want to develop the sporting ecosystem in Northeast India. So we are doing a football tournament now. Later we'll be coming up with basketball tournaments, badminton tournaments and multiple tournaments. The reason why we are doing a tournament and not any other event is football players, young football players, like I mentioned, we are doing under 14, 16 and 19. In India don't get ample competitive matches to play in a season. If you talk about European countries, a kid there gets close to 50 to 60 matches in a season, right? Or probably 40 to 60 matches in a season to play with. So they have that kind of match experience. That's what we're trying to give. So it's a knockout tournament so we are starting with the state of Meghalaya from 24th of September from Shillong itself. The match will be conducted at Lightcore, Assam Rifles Lightcore, and there is a small registration fee of 200 rupees per player. So any team, individual or school can participate in it. It's open for all. And after Shillong, we'll be going to Mairang, we'll be going to Nongstoin, Tura and Jowai. So these are the 5 zones we'll be covering in Meghalaya. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to 20 plus cities across Northeast India. So the under 14, 16, 19 winners of all these cities will come in the last week of November at Assam Don Bosco University, stay there, and there will be matches between all the winners of each zone. And the winners from there will get a chance to win prizes worth 3 lakh rupees. That's 1 lakh per category.
Hakijia ko biliakai football parro kabla long ha umroy ha kanyu tereng mentau benai ka kinhun joki officer ki MLE bar ki MDC kala la pelim no ka kinhun joki pastor da argo la non kani ga jele akai ka bashisngi ha preng kite ki arkinhun ya kabla tip kum ka charitable friendly football match ya kabla pelong de jeseng selok ki pastor ka KGP Sinat Semni Riboy zone ka long shisha ka besong shed hado kata Hagani kasngi lawan bansa kilang da uba DP walang Chief Secretary ke Jala Meghalaya uba Meryl Bonds MLA ke Nongpo ba Jason Saukme Maulong MLA ke Umsning ba George B Lingdo MLA ke Umroy ba Charles Marngar MDC ke Mauhati ba R Kharbuki MDC ke Umroy kirang ba officer ke Themri Boy District ba Reverend IW Nongse moderator ke KGP Sinat Sepngi ubralong ukongsan nakaliang ke KGP Sinat Sepngi kala pelong khnai ke ni ke jele akai Kumshi benta ban pinmi pisa na kabenta ka jirakhe kerpain ka jingdap shispa snem jaka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital ka belong ka wei ni ki jaka ajing sumar ke bapaw ka jala bar kumjuru na kabenta ban nang pinhe shushu ya kani ka jaka ajing sumar
Kini government officer ilayo ya kaban tempura ya kijing mu jengi baro untuk organizing committee berkham tamne bagilio ya kaban pensingan kekasi kumni kumbakalo
Hermanos y hermanas, estamos ante Dios, qué alegría con Él y beber sus palabras. No le importa cuánta verdad veamos y somos sinceros, compartimos experiencias de la mano, avanzamos, nos apoyamos. Entendemos la verdad, perfeccionamos.
ke Grace Academy School Lower Lashumia Shillong kala pulong ke school concert ha ususo tham auditorium State Central Library Shillong.
Ia kan ke school concert lawan play de ikong amprin nendo ibelong MLA jongka Shillong East ha ka beda dalang ru UMDC jongka laim khra uba fantin la kadang balik dalang ru uba diblu an mar banyang ubalong DP barem jongka jella. Kini ke school concert kali i ke sub ki bape jongki khana school kum juru ki bipat ki jajing la kai ki bela pensngop ha ki kimi ki pa ki bela lang ha kan kesngi ba ki bipat ki pai ba ki belanan sakhi kan ka school concert ka bela pelong ha ka te kesngi.
Hashawan penkut inya phai yang chikimat makom san sa shisen. Nang hem ke NPP hamau hati naga jiwan punya so kinong yalam bat kinong ket kam ke UDP Congress bat MPCC. Ladang iwan ha Khubor ngin pendam ke MOU bat ke Assam ong ba Vincent Bala. La ban mino ke BJP naga sarkar MDA ong ba Ernest Maury. Janpra ke kirdop jo ke casino hakana para Nabatham kinangelam ki sauseng Warhadin basha khang ha ka jingai pai ba thang ka hitoi ki ting shop jo ki mentri sarkar MDA ha berni ha rat ka truck dumper ki post electric namjri like ki pai ba na ki jimin saw rakhi ka balang unitarian ya ka lingko snem ka bashispa like san job ka kinhon khle ki MLA MDC bagi officer bersha ki pastor Haga jeli akan football parlo. But wait de Khubor. Dari Khubor la poi shaka ko jaga Khubor menta katiyo. Yin sai siam biang ba phi hak te ke par katiyo ka banwan. Khublei ki baro pathiaso.